So here I am at Longyards. It is May 5th. I'm driving in the main approach to the yards and just looking around, and it's a little rough. I would have thought this would have had a better road base. Well, it's got a good base, but I would have had a better finish, you know, with more A. Some of the you know, privacy screening is failing. I don't know how the lights are doing, but a little easier going back here, and we're going to go right to the end here, and we'll see what it looks like. So not quite as sharp as I expected. I like the video better than I like the actual product here, Chris. I'll send you this video here in a second. We're going to look for Kyle in a minute as well, talk to him. But you can see some of the privacy screening is failing there. I guess the winter winds probably, you know, do stuff. It's a little bumpy here. Lots of sea cans. Well, let's see what we got here. I guess some RVs. And, oh, look, there's a bus over there. I missed it, but there you got lots of potholes here. I guess it's the spring. It's to be expected to some extent. I've got a lot here. Not yet done. These are kind of cool. Box B, box C, etc. A little bit. That's your gravel pile here. Mass excavation and demolition. We're almost at the end here. Let's see where we get to. So I guess people are parking their RVs here. I know where to go if I need an RV. There's a trailer, some cars. I guess this guy probably over here is doing something with his cars. I wonder if somebody's living in that trailer over there. So I guess this is the end of the property coming up here in a second. A little bumpy. It needs grading for sure, and some more A. And here's, I guess, the end of the property here. Let's go right to the end. See if I can. Nice old Cadillac, I think, or Lincoln. There's an empty. No, it's got some stuff in it. Some more stuff here. All right, that's enough for today.